In 2026, over 1 million people on Medicare Advantage plans will lose their coverage as major insurance companies, including United Health Group, are eliminating hundreds of plans, especially PPOs, due to rising costs and new federal rules. These insurers are cutting losses caused by higher healthcare costs, more frequent care, and the Inflation Reduction Act, which shifted more prescription costs to them. If your plan is ending, you'll get notices from your insurance company. You must choose a new plan between October 15 and the 31st of December 2025. If you do nothing, you'll default to original Medicare with no drug coverage. You can switch to another Advantage plan or use a guaranteed issue right to move to a Medigap supplement plan without medical underwriting. Work with your agent or broker to explore options, but note, some states don't pay agents for guaranteed issue transitions. Don't wait until the last minute and check your annual notice of change and knock this fall. Do your own research.